Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm on my way to Marshall's to pick up a few outfits to take with me on an upcoming business trip, and I decided to bring you guys with me. And then once I get home, I'll do a try-on haul of the pieces I purchased and a few pieces that I already had in my closet. So if you're interested to see what I was able to find, stay tuned. So I'm back home and I'm going to show you 5 business casual work outfits. Outfit number 1 is something I already had in my closet, a black sweater from Marshall's, high-waisted pants from Charlotte Russe, black booties from Charlotte Russe, and I added a scarf, which is from Marshall's. I will add a link in the description box of the pieces if available. If not, I'll list the item and where I purchased them. Outfit number 2 is a white collared shirt from JCPenney and a pair of black and white print ankle pants from Marshall's, black heels from DSW. Outfit number 3 is a black blouse from Marshall's, gray pants from JCPenney, and black pumps from TJ Maxx. Outfit number 4 is a burgundy turtleneck from Marshall's, a black pencil skirt from Marshall's, black heels from DSW, and I believe this is one of my favorite outfits. Um, I really like the way the turtleneck fit, and I like the way the skirt fit as well. And I will be taking a pair of black flats with me so that I can take off these heels and put on black flats. Outfit number 5 is a mauve sweater from Marshall's, black pants from JCPenney, and black pumps from TJ Maxx. And that's it for the 5 work outfits. But leave me a comment below and let me know what was your favorite out of the 5. And if you haven't done so already, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more of my content. Have a great day.